Considering selling your home? In today's competitive market, a fresh environment can make all the difference in impressing potential buyers. Discover our top 5 pet-friendly ideas to eliminate pet odors and damage, ensuring your property shines and stands out from the rest. Natural cleaning solutions. Baking soda, one of the most effective natural odor absorbers. Sprinkle it on carpets, furniture, or pet bedding. Let it sit for a few hours, then vacuum it up. White vinegar acts as a natural deodorizer and cleaner. Mix equal parts of vinegar and water in a spray bottle and use it to clean surfaces or areas where your pet spends time. High-quality air purifiers. Invest in an air purifier specifically designed to capture pet dander and odors. Ensure it has a HEPA filter to trap even the smallest particles. Regular grooming and bathing. Bathing your pet regularly can significantly reduce the amount of hair and dander they shed. Use pet-friendly shampoos that also help in reducing odors. Brushing your pet daily can prevent excessive shedding and reduce the amount of hair that ends up on your furniture and carpets. Protective furniture covers. Use washable furniture covers to protect your sofas and chairs from pet hair, dander, and potential accidents. They're easy to remove and clean, ensuring your furniture remains fresh and damage-free. Repair and prevention. For scratched wooden furniture or floors, consider using wood fillers or touch-up markers to conceal the damage. Invest in scratch guards or protective tape for areas your pet frequently targets. Provide alternative scratching posts or toys for your pets to redirect their scratching behavior. Remember, while it's essential to maintain a clean and odor-free home, it's equally important to ensure that the methods and products used are safe for your furry friends. Always check product labels and consult with your veterinarian if you're unsure about a particular product's safety.